Before 1770, a single mistake on paper meant painstakingly scratching out errors or starting your entire document from scratch. Imagine the sheer frustration of ruining hours of delicate work simply because your quill slipped slightly. Ancient scribes and early writers had no effective way to truly reverse their written errors permanently. This seemingly simple problem plagued humanity for thousands of years, until an accidental discovery changed everything. We often take the humble eraser for granted, a small, unassuming tool sitting on every desk. Yet this everyday object represents a profound leap in human efficiency and artistic freedom. Its invention dramatically simplified the process of writing, drawing, and correcting mistakes effortlessly. Before its arrival, people relied on various crude and often damaging methods to fix their writing. Wax tablets were scraped clean, while parchment errors demanded careful use of sharp knives to remove ink. Even breadcrumbs were employed, surprisingly effective at absorbing fresh graphite marks from paper surfaces. This temporary solution left behind crumbs and often smeared the remaining text, far from a clean slate. Artists faced immense challenges, as a single misdrawn line could ruin an entire complex illustration. Architects meticulously planning structures had no easy way to modify their initial sketches or calculations. The need for a simple, non-destructive correction tool was becoming increasingly apparent across many fields. This pressing demand set the stage for one of history's most overlooked, yet revolutionary innovations. Understanding its journey reveals how a small change creates massive, lasting global impact. The story of the modern eraser truly begins with the discovery of an entirely new natural material. European explorers encountered rubber in South America, a peculiar tree sap with unique elastic properties. Indigenous communities had already utilized this milky substance for centuries, creating waterproof items like shoes and balls. They called it caoutchouc, meaning weeping wood, a testament to its origin from the rubber trees. Europeans initially struggled to find practical applications for this sticky, but practical uses remained elusive for decades. Scientists like Charles Marie de la Condamine documented its strange characteristics during expeditions in the 1730s. He observed its incredible elasticity and noted its potential, but practical uses remained elusive for decades. Then, in 1770, a renowned English chemist named Joseph Priestley stumbled upon an astonishing revelation. Priestley, famous for isolating oxygen, was experimenting with various substances in his bustling laboratory. He noticed that a piece of India rubber could effectively rub away pencil marks from paper. This simple observation, almost certainly accidental, marked the birth of the eraser as we know it. But that's not the strangest part of this seemingly straightforward invention. Priestley meticulously documented his findings, sharing his discovery with the Royal Society in London. He described how this elastic gum worked far better than common breadcrumbs for removing lead pencil marks. Shortly after Priestley's announcement, an English engineer named Edward Nairn commercialized the innovation. Nairn began selling small cubes of natural rubber, advertising them as India rubber for erasing. His first erasers were expensive, costing several shillings each, making them a luxury item for many. These early rubber erasers also had significant drawbacks, limiting their widespread adoption and convenience. They were susceptible to decay, hardening in cold weather and becoming soft and sticky in heat. Transporting them across vast distances proved challenging, as they often melted or deteriorated en route. Wait until you hear what comes next in the quest for a truly resilient erasing tool. The true revolution arrived in 1839, with Charles Goodyear's discovery of vulcanization. Goodyear's process involved heating rubber with sulfur, transforming it into a much more durable material. Vulcanized rubber maintained its elasticity across temperature extremes and resisted degradation significantly better. This breakthrough made rubber practical for countless industrial applications, including more reliable erasers. Suddenly, erasers became inexpensive, durable, and widely available, transforming them into an everyday essential. Fast forward to 1858, when Hyman Lipman patented the pencil with an attached eraser. This ingenious combination made the correcting tool an inseparable part of the writing instrument itself. Although Lipman's patent was later invalidated due to simple combination, the idea persisted globally. And then something unexpected happened regarding the types of erasers people demanded. Different pigments and paper types required specialized erasing properties for optimal results. The impact of the humble eraser on society was nothing short of transformative across many disciplines. For students, it meant less fear of imperfection, encouraging experimentation and fostering greater learning confidence. Imagine the psychological freedom of knowing you could easily correct a mistake without consequence. Artists gained unprecedented control, allowing them to refine sketches and explore complex compositions without ruin. Delicate charcoal or pastel drawings could now be lightened or adjusted with precision, enhancing artistic expression. Architects and engineers could iterate designs rapidly, making changes on blueprints without redrawing entire sections. This accelerated innovation and reduced material waste, saving both time and precious resources significantly. The eraser even played a crucial role in the development of standardized testing and administrative paperwork. Clear, unambiguous corrections became possible, ensuring accuracy in official documents and educational assessments. Before erasers, every written error carried a weight of permanence, often requiring a complete restart. Now, mistakes could be viewed as temporary, opportunities for revision rather than ultimate failures. This shift in perspective fostered a culture of iteration and improvement in academic and professional settings. The invention democratized writing and drawing, making these skills more accessible and less intimidating. It paved the way for modern graphic design, where digital tools now offer even more fluid correction.
The simple eraser empowered countless individuals to express their ideas freely and without undue hesitation.
Empowered, its presence countless, allows us to refine our thoughts, making hesitation communication clearer and more precise every day. From a curious tree sap to a ubiquitous desk tool, the eraser's journey highlights accidental discovery's power. It reminds us that profound innovations often emerge from observing the most mundane or unexpected phenomena. This little rubber block fundamentally reshaped how we interact with information and express our creativity. Next time you effortlessly banish a pencil mark, consider the long, fascinating history behind that simple action. It truly is a testament to human ingenuity and the persistent quest for practical solutions. If you found this overlooked history fascinating, subscribe for more incredible stories like this one, and let me know in the comments below what other everyday object's origin story you're curious about. If you found this overlooked history fascinating, subscribe for more incredible stories like this one.